Hey everybody, it's Jamie from ActorPlaybook, and I wanted to talk to you today about a topic that I keep seeing coming up, and it's something that I think everyone, majority of us, if not all of us, have experienced at one point or another, and that is nerves before an audition, feelings of anxiety before going into the audition room. So first and foremost, if you have felt this way, if you are feeling this way, congratulations that you have found something that you care so much about and that is so important to you and that you want to do so well at, that you feel your heart start to race, that you feel these butterflies. So for a second, just acknowledge that. Acknowledge how lucky you are that you have found something that you love to do and that means so much to you. So the first piece of advice, which may seem like a really crappy one, is just experience. This is how this gets easier, is when you face those feelings, go through the audition and get out on the other side. The more you do it, the more you learn to manage it. So I can remember from my own experiences when I was starting acting, sitting outside the casting room and feeling my legs start to jump and my heart start to race, and even having feelings of, I gotta get out of here. What am I doing? I am not gonna be any good at this. I'm gonna bomb. They're gonna laugh at me. They're gonna think this is a joke. Fight through it. Know that you are not alone, that you have this, that even though you're feeling this way, you have prepared, you are there, you were invited to into audition for a reason, and that these feelings are normal. Tell yourself, I'm feeling nervous right now, but this is an opportunity to do what I love. And even if I don't do as well as I want, this is experience. And the more experience I get, the better and easier this will be. 2, give it a voice. When you're in the audition room and you're feeling, and again, I have been in the audition room and I can't control my leg. I don't know why that happens to me when I'm nervous. I probably can research it, but if this happens to any of you, you can relate. And what you can do is give it a voice. I mean, these are all people. These are, who want you to do well. Tell them, this means so much to me. I'm apologize, I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm just gonna take a deep breath and, okay. Humanize yourself, give it a voice. And 9 times out of 10, casting is gonna say, oh, you're gonna do great, don't worry about it. And they're gonna say something to break that nervous energy in the room. Next, put it in perspective. One mental tip or trick that I do sometimes for auditions, for other experiences in my life, I will think of the most terrifying moments I have ever experienced or imagined. And for me, it's when I hiked the Kalaloa Trail in Hawaii. Google Crawler's Ledge, look at video. I did it. I have no desire to ever do it again, but it was by far the closest I have ever felt to plummeting to my death. It was terrifying. So anyway, getting back. Think of the most terrifying moment or moment you can imagine and ask yourself, all right, I'm nervous right now. It's kind of fight or flight. Would I change positions? If I had the opportunity, would I go and experience that moment right now again? Or would I stay here and go into the audition room? Of course, you would stay there and go into the audition room. So give yourself a little perspective of where you are. Next, 4th, breathe. Remember to breathe. This helps, scientifically proven to relax us is when we're conscious of our breath. Be conscious of breathing in and breathing out slowly over and over again. Try and be conscious of feeling your hands relax. Breath is important. Remember to breathe. Last, and this is so important, practice. Practice on your own. Set up a camera. Practice auditioning. Watch your tapes. Do it again and again and again. Get a friend. Get an actor friend to read with you, to practice the audition scenario. Get yourself in front of camera and in front of people as you are performing as much as you possibly can. This, again, will help so much to give you that experience to help settle down those anxious feelings. So I hope these tips help. If you have something that works for you when you are experiencing these audition nerves, please comment below and share your tip, because this might be the missing piece that another actor or artist or creative is looking for when they are feeling this way. So thank you all for watching, and have an excellent week. Break a leg.